In today's episode, I am hosting my annual Mardi Gras Tablescape. Now, I have a wonderful co host, and my co host is Shay of Shay's Creative Designs. Now, I'll have a link to her channel down below so you can check out her page because I know you guys are going to love her. Now, this is my annual one. I've done this, I think, for the past 7 years. So I hope you enjoy my tablescape. You know I'm that budget friendly girl. So let me know what you think down below and let's get on with the video. Using for my Mardi Gras tablescape. Nothing on this table is purchased just for this. This is all in my collection. Now this looks kind of black on screen, but this is green. These are napkins and the gold napkins. These came from the tablecloths factory. Now there's two, a tablecloth factory and a tablecloths with an S factory. Now I have these flatware. They came from Walmart. Then I have these purple and gold trim salad plates and plates. They came from the tablecloths factory as well. I have the ornaments. They're gold and purple. I have 6 of these, 3 glasses here with the iridescent look. Here's 3 more here to give a set of 6. I have the table runner, came from Amazon, and also 2 pillow covers. They came from Amazon. I have the gold beads, some purple, green, and like I want to say a rose color, I guess, bead in here. Also another long purple one. I have the purple chargers. And then I have these napkin rings. They are the Mardi Gras mask. Let's see, I think there was 2 different ones. And here's this one. I found these, I think, a year ago on Amazon. And then I have these mask plates that I had made years ago with a Mardi Gras mask. Now the little dessert plates, they came from Dollar Tree, and I found that picture and I had someone make those plates for me. Now I have 2 masks that I'm going to be using. And in the centerpiece, I will be using this black lantern along with these 2, I want to say light posts. Those light posts were purchased a few years back off of Walmart.com. So these are the items that will be or will not be in the Mardi Gras tablescape. Now here is an overall look of my Mardi Gras 2025 Tablescape. Now I'm trying to really stick to that budget thing where I only use what I have. Now nothing I purchase on this table is very expensive. I've had it for years and I try to recycle it and use it for the next year and give it a different twist each year to make it look presentable for the collaboration. I also want to thank my wonderful co-host Shay from Shay's Creative Designs for co-hosting this challenge for me this year. I really appreciate everything she's done this year and I cannot wait to see her video. Also, there will be a playlist down below in the description for you to check out all the participants in this collaboration. Now please, when you go visit them, tell them Stephanie sent you, and as always, I will see you in the next episode.